If anyone's in here, let me know if my stream works. I don't know if it does or not. Just let me know. Guys, let me know if my stream works. Type it in the YouTube chat. Just see if there's an option to not have a big delay. Alright. Okay, I'm just gonna go make a watch list so you guys can see. So let's just look at some plays from today. So we have VIRI. Just watching over this, seeing also looking at the higher time frame. Play still has room to run, but it's going to be a bit more. There'll be a bit more volume in this area. So watching it. So I probably have room to one. Just watching the 30-minute. Doesn't really have a lot of room to run, but something I'm watching for sure. Something I am watching. So just trying to get a few plays in. This is not really on the watch. Not really moving. TGTX. Just look at this. TGTX or 12 is quite nice. I like this 12. I like this quite a bit. Over 12, this is nice. You know, the daily zones. Probably add this to the watches just because of how the daily looks. We've got quite a clean daily. So if you look at this chart, over 12, we have room all the way up to this 19.5 level. Zoom out, it's the same. So it's quite a clean chart. So just watching this, guys. By the way, you could use YouTube comments if you want me to check any charts as well. You can use the comment section. I'll see the comments and I can review any charts you want me to. But yeah, essentially I'm just making a watch list. This is how I normally make it usually. Use the today's stocks. Probably access Finwiz, but let's just go over a couple stocks. So you got the 30-minute chart here on this. Like I said, 12 is a clean level. Just watching to see if there's any trend. This is still like a nice uptrend as well. It's quite a good look. So let me just mark this up. What's up, Zed? What's up? Nice to have you here. Okay, just watching this. Just marking these devils. Let me just move this. My 9 horizontal 9. Yeah, just keep that. So yeah, you got this TGTX. I will be keeping an eye on this tomorrow. So this is gonna be a play on my watch list. Zed could tell me a few stocks as well. I like your pick, so let's just see which ones you got. Yeah, MNTS is on. Yes. Yeah. Look, MNTS. I like this one. I like this one a lot. So Zed, if you look at this play here, yeah, look at this daily chart. And I had this daily marked on the 26th of October. And look at this. So it's quite unique. This is a falling wedge, by the way. Falling wedge. Quite like that. But yeah, this is a good watch. This MNTS. I agree with you. It's a really good watch. It has room to 5.55. And then we've got room to 7.3. We've got the same minds here. I'm just going to color this blue for tomorrow. So we got that. Our daily is nice. So I've seen the daily. Looking at 30 minute. What do I want from the 30 minute? Let's just see. The 30 minutes actually it's in a bullish pennant. Let me just see if I can mark my lines. Yeah, you got a bullish pennant here on the 30 minute as well. This is on my watch list there. This is on my watch list. MNTS. Let's just check out more tickers that you mentioned. You've got MNTS COD, KOD just here. Ooh, this is still a nice uptrend. Nice eye. I've already got this marked. Orange, these are the daily levels, by the way, guys. I had this marked from earlier, but all I do with the daily levels is if you look at this daily on KOD, look, this is an area of resistance just 2.16. We broke that, but we rejected below. If we could close back above 2.16 area, in my opinion, we will push 2.5 above 2.5. If you look at this volume profile, Zed, remember we should use this a lot. I'm starting to use it again because I'm using the web browser. But if you look at this resistance level here at 2.9, above 2.9 you got 3.5, and then you've got 4. So this is still a runner. I want to highlight this blue, add this to my watch list, and so you got a 30 minute chart here. Just watching this 30 minute chart, and I want to kind of see a close above this 2.16 area. Again, if you look at the VP, there's not a lot of volume in this area. As long as we exceed this 700k volume area on the 30 minutes, which we should, this will run quite heavy tomorrow. So it's a good watch. It doesn't mean 100% going to run, but it's something to have on your watch list. Although this watch list doesn't mean every displays are going to run. All it means is I'm prepared in case they do run. You see, it's always good to be prepared in the market. But yeah, watching this over 2.16. I'm going to keep an eye on this and add to the watch. And what other stocks did you recommend? God, shot's cool. Shot. Let me add this shot. What is this shot? Let's check it out. Watch list. Okay. So look at this daily chart. I got the daily and mark from a long time ago. That's what it looks like. Daily zone. Quite nice. Keep an eye on this. I see the volume. Ooh, that's a good one. Volume as well coming in. 0.9 million. Okay. So good amount of volume. But look, if you look at the volume profile, though, if you could exceed that tomorrow, then I'd be more interested in this. Zooming out a bit, we've got 2 million, 15 million, 19 million. So we're going to get into the big leagues of volume in order for this to run aggressively. I'm going to keep this here, just on my watch, but it's not going to be one of my main watches. Keeping it around 30 minutes, but it's a good recommendation, nevertheless. 1.6 tomorrow with a good amount of volume. You can see this run. So thank you for that, Zed. Guys, like I said, you guys could more than welcome to use the YouTube chat. More than welcome. Take advantage of this. I'm going to review trades. I'm going to go through a watch list. For those that are joining, more than welcome. What other less you actually recommended? KOD, CLS. CLS, I'm still watching this. CLS, that's one of my top multi-day watches. Multi-day. If you look at this daily, it's quite a nice daily as well. 4.15, you got the 4.8 level, you got the 5 level, and even the volume profile suggests that there's not a lot of volume in these areas with the daily, so that's why it'll be clean run. to the upside. Like in comparison to this 21 million, 35 million, which is why it's harder to break right now. But with the current volume, we're 26 million, so we still need to surpass the level. But once we exceed these volume levels, this 30 million, this stuff like that, we'll, in my opinion, we push quite aggressively to the upside. So it's good to keep an eye on that. So nice eye on that. Nice eye. So yeah, just keeping an eye on this 30 minute. 30 minute also not in a wedge. If we could break back over probably this 3.15 area to tomorrow with a lot of volume, this will be one of my top watches. So this is moving up. So far I've got 4 of my top watches here. TGTX over 10.6, MNTS, KOD, CLLS. I'm just going to watch what else you recommended. AWRE. I like this AWRE. I think someone mentioned it earlier as well in the Discord. There's a good eye on this head. AWRE, where is this? Where are you, naughty girl? There you are. Okay, let's just look at this. The only thing I had about this, I think, was the volume. I would have liked a lot more volume. You know, I like trading the momentum. Let's just look at the daily. Daily is the main aspect of the chart, in my opinion. But you've got your 800k. There's not a lot of volume needed for this to run. To be honest with you, you're already exceeding volume, so that's a good sign. Just trying to see if there's anything else. Yeah, this is a good watch. To be honest with you, it's a really good watch. That I like it. I'm not gonna probably look to play unless we get more volume, because it's only like what 10k, 20k, and I like probably trade with 100k plus on the 5 minute at least. So, but it'll be on my watch. It'll be on my lower end of my watch list. So these are my main watches, the top 4. Let's see what else you recommended. PRLD. PRLD. So, guys, any one of you guys could use the YouTube comments. That'd be appreciated. Any questions? I'm gonna review trades. Hopefully, this would be a nice little session. So let's just PRLD. Where are you at, boy? So all guys always start with the daily chart. Just like make it into a habit. Start with that daily chart, okay? Always, no matter what, no matter when, whatever you're doing, just start with the daily. So look, marking the daily, you can see 2.35 is the level. Why is this a level? Look here, guys, an area rejection. It's quite clear to see. Look here. We previously used this as an area of resistance, then we broke down. So this would be an area where we kind of, what does this mean? What did I say? I swear I said something. Movement divergence. Okay, perfect. Yeah, but yeah, mark your daily levels and then mark a couple more levels. We've got another level here. That'll be hard to break. It's gonna be rough to break. Then you got this level here, this 3.16 level. Let's look at the volume. What's the volume of this daily candle? 3 million. So then what we do is we look at the volume profile, 500k, 700k. So we got room to run. On these candles. We'll probably break it quite easily. This is when it's probably get tougher in this area, because there's a lot of volume in that area, a lot of sellers, buyers, etc. But it's got good potential that I like this chart, PRLD. Looking at 30 minute, again, my only thing is it's increasing volume, but I'd like more volume. But it's good to have on the reserve watch list, I like to call it. So PRLD. But let me check out BH80 for you. BH80. Check it out. BH80. Beautiful. Okay. I'm looking at the BH80 as well. A lot of your charts, they're really nice, but I think they're more it's good. You have this good knack to watch to catch stocks before they run. That's what I realized, and you know that as well. So I'm just looking, and all these stocks are reversing on the daily. They look to be reversing on the daily, and once it's 1.3 level, you break that, and as long as we gain volume, this will run 1.6. Then you got room to go 2.13. Just looking at the daily chart, we've got this room to run. Yeah, and I like the chart. I actually like this a lot. I like this chart. This is probably just good to have on your watch list. For the time being, 30 minutes reversing. I'd like to see more volume, as you already know, Zed. Just need that more volume. TSP. Okay, let me check that TSP. 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 Let's look at this. Let's look at this bad boy. I recognize this stock from somewhere. I don't know where, but I recognize this. Let's look at this daily. So again, like I said, always start with the daily. So watching this. Marking. You got the 1.33 level. Then you got this 1.6 level. Then you have this level here. This 1.992 level. So you got these levels here. I'd say this will be a bit more harder to break because the 2 million volume. And if you look at the volume profile, the volume profile, the area of sellers is they're basically in control. So I'd like to see a lot more volume in this. I'd like to see the daily volume to get 15-20 million tomorrow, and if we could, this would be a good watch. But I'm also going to keep the ones that I'm going to watch for tomorrow. This. I like this. BHD. I'm not going to keep it for tomorrow, but it looks good. I'm going to keep it for future reference. So short future reference. AWR, you know what, I'm going to keep it on for tomorrow. PRLD, I'm going to keep it on for tomorrow. VV. VSME. Okay, now let me just let's see what else you had. Wolf. Did I miss anything? Okay, let me check Wolf. I'll get to VSME as well. Don't worry. I'll get to that. Also review that because I learned that today. So let's do this. Second. Post. Semi. Okay, Wolf. Let me go the daily on this. So the Wolf daily is nice. I like this as well. I like this. You know, I like this quite a bit. Let me see the volume on that. 39 million. Oh, we just need that more volume, Zed. More volume. And once you break that volume, this is going to be a runner, Zed. It's another good reference. I'm going to keep an eye on this. Future reference 4.18. Above 4.18 with clear to run. Nice one on these, Zed. Nice one. Keep an eye on this. Nice work. I like it. Picasso. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to quickly look over the VSME. Yeah, that's the one. That's the one for you, Bal. Okay, VSME, where are you, boy? And then we'll review this as well. As my alert, because I alerted this today and added to Insta as well. So let's just start with the daily chart. So I'm going to remove these pants. So I'm going to start in the daily. Okay, so look here. So marking the daily levels, we broke a key daily level at 1.2. A very big level. That's crucial for the stock. We got room to 1.6. And then we got room to 3.5. Okay, so this play is very much multi-day. I'm going to color it up because I'm on watch list. So now what we're going to do for tomorrow. What do we want for tomorrow? Okay, I'll tell you what we want. First, we're going to try our best. We're going to hold. We don't want to get below 1. We don't want to drop below 1 again. We don't. That would be good. But if we can hold here, this level, and if we could break back above this wedge, it would be quite nice. So I'll show you here. So you got a falling wedge on the 30 minute. If we break above this falling wedge, we get 1.28 break. This is back in play for tomorrow. So yeah, that'll be your VSME. Okay. Okay, ball. So any more requests, guys, just go and type it on the YouTube chat. You're more than welcome to use that to your advantage. Okay, guys, let me just share this link again. Copy link. Here's this link. Copy message link. Second. Just keep. Any other stocks you want me to watch? Let me know. Okay. Okay, so like I said, these are our main watches: TGTX, VSME, MNTS, KOD, CLLS for tomorrow. We also got AWRE on the reserve list, PRLD on the reserve list, Weary. I'd say, you know what, Weary's probably more of a watch. I'm gonna look at the daily chart. The daily chart's quite nice as well. So we'll have this more on the higher end of the watch list. But the only thing is we are like slowing down a bit. There's quite a bit of volume, but there's a lot of resistance here as well. So it's still a good watch in my opinion. We've got a gap fill here towards 1.5 as well. So yeah, it's a good kind of watch. Let's just see this CLNN. Okay, no worries. I'll get that done for you, bro. I'll get that done. Just quickly gonna. So even this video here, the only thing about the video is that it probably will slow down a bit. But you can just have it on the reserve. So let's look at your CLNN. CLNN for tomorrow. Okay. Daily chart. Always start with the daily, guys. Always. So this is 0.38 on the daily. So look at the 5 minute. The 5 minute is the same. Okay, so we got the same type of level here. So let's just mark our daily levels. So we got this level here, the 0.42 level, just a level. It's going to be quite significant. I just want to mark areas where we previously rejected. So we rejected this area previously, 0.55 level. Then we got this kind of level here, the 0.6 level. So look at the volume profile, 1.8, 1.8, 1.9, 1 million. Do you know the flow on this? If you don't mind telling me, DL, what's the flow on this CLN play? Just let me know. But for now, let's just mark these, as you could tell me that. Of course, we do need a lot more volume on this, in my opinion. So it's not really a day trade. But the daily, by judging by the daily, we're right at the bottom. So what you kind of want to do is you want to wait for a catalyst. If you could get a catalyst on this, if there is a catalyst on this will reverse. So what I'd watch for, this daily trend to reverse over. So I'd want to see this daily back above 0.42. If you get back above that, we will push 0.55. So that is your that's your confirmation there. Okay. Even the daily, considering it is trying to form a hammer candle, so they are bias stepping up. So it's good to keep an eye on it. But yeah, you'd like it above the 0.42 level because we're still in a daily downtrend, so that's important to know. Okay. See. What was I gonna say? If you guys want any more charts, just let me know as you go. But let me quickly review a trade for you as well. I'm gonna review my alert on VSME today, and it was a very simple alert. Banger play. I like that 1.01 in the Discord. I'm just gonna mention the key levels that I took. But I'll just show you my alert first. Give me a second. VSME. So yeah, I like this around 1.01 level in the Discord. And if you look at the daily chart, that's the first thing I always mark. I mark the daily. Of course, I got this 1.1 is the marked, and then I got this. If you look here quite carefully, you could see there's a level here as well, like this level, 0.9 or $1 area where this sport. But as soon as we broke that level here, especially with the doji candle on the daily, we had room to 1.22, so I knew that, and above 1.22 I knew we have a clear into 1.6, so that gave me my confirmation. But why would that give you a confirmation? Reason being is we have room to run. The range on this play would have been, I was going to give you a percentage, so let's just look at the percentage from this level to this level. That's a 28% potential run, so I had that in the back of my mind. Now all I do from here is I switch to the 5 minute chart, and I'm gonna give you my entry level. So I'm just looking for so my entry level was around this level here. So what you guys will see is as I look at the daily, I knew we broke. We had a nice increase in volume as well. We had 100k, 200k in the 5 minute, and all I literally did was I drew a falling wedge. Like that's all it was. It was very simple. On the 5 minute, I knew there's a falling wedge forming. I see this and I'm like, it's worth a shot. It's worth a shot. And from here we go long. I'm gonna show you there. So my stop loss was around 3%. So I think my stop loss was around 0.985. So yeah, like a minus 3.25%. My first target was 6.87%, and then we ran all the way to 1.28, which was 25%, a nice 25% move to the upside. Again, a nice 25% move. So that's literally what my alert was. My alert was based on continuation pattern. It was a nice play, 6% on the first target, sold about 60% I mentioned, and then bang, we exploded to the upside. It was a beautiful play on this. And yeah, I will be watching this for tomorrow for continuation, like always. So what else did I alert today? Let me check what else I alerted, because I had another good play somewhere here. VSME, PLA, CLLS. Yeah, also alerted CLLS. And there's quite a good reason why I alerted this. 1 or 2. I think I alerted this around level 1. Looking, where did I alert this? I think I alerted this around this area, which was around this area. I alerted this. And the reason why I alerted this is, so we got our daily levels marked. Again, start with the daily. I had these levels marked. All I did was switch over to the 5 minute, and so I literally caught the bottom of this. Quite literally caught the bottom. All I did was I zoomed out. Let's just switch to 30 minutes just to give you like a better perspective, so you can see the chart properly. If you look at the chart at 30 minute, let's just switch to this. Get you a rectangle. So look here. This is an area of support. This is an area of demand. Why is this an area of demand, guys? Why do you think? The reason why this is an area of demand is because price has previously rejected this area, then we broke, and now we're holding. So this is a supply zone becoming demand. Again, you could consider it as a resistance becoming support. As soon as I saw that, all I did was literally switch over to the 5 minute, and I had that level marked. I'm just seeing. I think my exact entry, right here. And all I did was I had my trend line drawn from here to like here. I spotted the bottom. We had a 2.8 bottom here. I was like, okay, I could take the hit on this. I could look for entries because we got that 30-minute confirmation as well on the higher time frame. We're holding a level, and the 5 minute looks to be curling. And all I did was switch over to the 1 minute, and I marked my 5 minute trend line. So I knew we were forming a 5 minute trend. We're bouncing on support, and this trend's gonna be used. We could possibly push towards this trend, which is a 6% move for us, and we could break it, but we'll still get a nice move. So I just drew another line here, trend within the trend, knowing we're bouncing on support. I have my confirmation. We had a mini wedge, falling wedge within this, and look, I just gave you my alert was 2.84. Yeah, 2.84. That's my alert. So my alert was within this wedge. So it was quite literally close to the bottom. The bottom was 2.8. From here, my first target was 3.03. So that's a 6.3% target. And yeah, my risk was literally 2.3%. Guys, like that's literally risk to reward. What's the meaning of risk to reward? So let's say my risk to reward is usually 1 to 2. So for every £1 I risk, I make £2. So it's essentially in this, I'm making, so for every 1 I risk, I'm making twice as much. So I'm risking, obviously with this is probably about 1.3 RR, but usually I'm risking 3%, I'm making 6. So with this I'm risking 2%, 3.033, 6%, and then our next target was around 3.15, 3.68, that's 10%, and then this, so we had a nice 13% move on this. But as you guys can see, another alert based on higher time frame confirmation, etc. Guys, if you have any questions on this review, just drop it down in the comments below. I'd really appreciate your feedback. And if you want any chart requests, just let me know. I'm more than happy to go over any chart you want me to go over. Okay, just don't be shy. Don't be shy, guys. Never be shy. Just looking to see if there's anything else that will cover. Streaming. So yeah, just let me know, guys, in the comments, YouTube comments, if you got any other chart requests. If you want me to go over anything, if you want me to discuss anything, because you're getting free time from me. Free time, guys. Use this to your advantage. Use it to your advantage, guys. Okay. So look, we got this. Like I said, CLLS and CLLS and BSB on top place today. So yeah, guys, you could continue to any requests, just go ahead and post it on YouTube. Any requests. Don't know how much checked in ages. I haven't checked the spy chart. Where is spy? Where's spy on my chart? Where are you, boy? Spy. Damn, I don't know why this is off my watch list. Spy is literally my staple. It's the staple for my any chart I've got. So yeah, I'll try doing as much as possible. Of course, right now I'm at university doing my masters. In December time I'll be doing a lot more of these. But whenever I'm free during the evening, I'll do these. Okay. Probably more later in the night. Because obviously times can go back for you guys as well now in America. But yeah, let's look at spy, guys. Guys, even any large cap recommendations you've got, I'm more than happy to look. Damn. So guys, as you can see, if you look at the spy daily chart, I had this trend line marked from a long time ago. I don't know when, but just look how he bounced. This is why you look at history. Stock history is so key. But we're approaching a key area here, a very key area. So you've got these daily levels marked again. I've got the daily levels marked. I'm just going to switch to lower time frame. Let's say for 30 minutes, for example. So we're just at this level. So what I'll do is, yeah, guys, what you should do is tomorrow have this 30 level marked. If we break below this level, 429.6, you probably get puts towards 428, then 426. Just remember this, guys. But if you break above 431, let's look at the daily. What can we push? We probably end up pushing this 434 level, 435. Okay, guys. So just keep an eye on this. Let's look at your Roku. ROKU. Where are you, boy? There you go, 78. It's on 78. Let's look at this daily. Tried this long time ago as well. I'm just going to remove these highlights. I'm going to look at the high time frame. I'm going to look at the weekly. Because I feel like large caps, they give you a better story on even higher time frames. So you got this weekly level 99. Quite a significant level, looks like. 1.12 billion volume. 64 million currently. So you kind of want to exceed this volume pattern, but we got our room towards 0.99. Let me just mark an area major sport. Let me just quickly my daily zones, daily zone color. Then let me just be sport. You got this area sport here, around the 74 area. I'm gonna see how this replicates on the high time frame, and then you got this area 142, blah blah. So let's switch over to the hourly or something on this. Okay. So you got this. So tomorrow with this Roku chart, this is going to be your best friend, this wedge. If we break above this wedge, 78, we probably push toward that 80, 81, 82 level. So yeah, you should keep an eye on this. Great shout on this, Philip. Obviously, I don't trade large caps, but obviously I've got a good eye for technicals. Let me just add on MNPR. Okay, let's check the MNPR out. MNPR. Watch list. Let me just remove this. I'm gonna give a recommendation to you guys, yeah. You know, with these charts on these small caps, make sure no matter what you do, never marry these plays. A lot of these plays are a curse. Never ever, just always scale out these plays. You don't want to get caught in a dirty dip. This MSPR chart is just all about triggering. Will this go? Will this gain? Is there a catalyst? This is what things you want to research. 30 minute. Let's look at the 30-minute chart. Okay, so that's good. We got that. So kind of with this, obviously we had our initial run. If we can get back above 0.57 on MSPR, we'll probably trigger another run. So you want to kind of keep an eye on that. So that's your key level there. Okay. Let me just move this and this, and then I'll make space for a couple more plays. IOAC. Let's look at this play. Ooh, nice share, nice. That's a very good eye from me on this share. I like this. I like IOAC. I don't think this has any daily resistance. Yeah, barely any. This is a nice chart. Post it on the chat share. Post it on the Discord chat as well if you can. Just let people know. I'll post the chart on it as well later. But nice one on that. That's a good play. That's a good potential play for tomorrow. Just looking at the 30-minute, 5 minutes. So of course with this, what you want to do is you can probably take an after-hour trade on it. A bit risky, don't get me wrong, because of the volume. If you look at the volume, is not as high and it's volatile. But if you wanted to have a lot of fun, maybe 15% 5 break. But this is something I'll watch tomorrow, no doubt. We'll keep an eye on this for tomorrow. Yeah, I'll keep an eye on this for tomorrow. Cheers with that share. Nice one. I like this. I like it. I'm gonna keep it on watch. Keep it on watch there. Let me just remove a few plays from my watch list. I've had B by ND. He's gonna remove that. A bit slow, so I'm not bothered about that. ALDX. I'm gonna remove that now. Delete. I keep William on watch. Nakola. I'm gonna delete you. You're not a good person. AWRE. Keep you on. CLS. I like you. CLN. I like you. IOC. I like you. Spy. You could go a bit down because I don't really. Okay, Philip. APL should pull Spy down tomorrow. Ooh, that's a good one. That's something which is important for Spy. Okay, APPL. So if APL, so it's had bad earnings. Okay. So yeah, so you could probably get puts under that level I mentioned earlier. Let's look at this chart. Let's look at this. Let me see the significance of this chart. Gonna remove the old look at the weekly. Weekly gives us a bigger picture always. So I'm just gonna mark this trend line. If you look here, this is still in a downtrend on the weekly, which is quite fun. It's a bit of a actually falling wedge. A falling wedge, not bad. Horizontal. So yeah, if you like I said, if you had bad earnings, of course, it's quite weird. Okay, so has it had poor earnings yet, or okay? So it'll be interesting play. So Apple. So if this does have bad earnings, or if it has had bad earnings, and it pulls Spy down, Spy probably puts. But as you see by the weekly chart, 180 is a big key level. If this does sort of somehow stay and the weekly reverses, this 180 level will give us a nice reversal, full wedge reversal. So if you break this on the daily, you probably go long. Okay, IOAC short. I already seen short. I'm marked it for Z, but I'll go over it again. Where are you, girl? Let's go over it for you again. Short. Where are you, short? So yes, I have this already marked. So I actually like short. The only thing I had said to Z was I'd like to see a lot more volume, because if you look at the volume profile, we've got a lot of volume, 20 million, 24 million blocks. So that's going to be a bit important, but it's a good watch. 1.5 especially, 1.55. Keep this on watch. Sorry, 1.6. Keep this on watch tomorrow. If we get a nice volume increase, probably in the 100k range on the 5 minute. So we want to see full candles, and we should be good to go. Esco and Wolf. I've seen Esco. I like Wolf. I know I like Wolf the most out of these. I think this was the one I liked the most. Yeah, this was the one I liked the most. Again, I was just saying I needed more volume. So this is something which probably go down the line. We'd probably look back and be like, oh my, I'm surprised this rank, but actually we're not surprised because the daily's reversing. So to be honest with you, if you wanted to, I don't know, if there is a catalyst on this or anything and you wanted to swing this, it's not a bad swing. 3.5. I'm just looking at what your stop loss would be. So let's say you had your stop would be around 10%, around this 3.1 area. Your first target would probably be around this 4.18 area. But it's not a bad play to look into. Depending if it has catalyst, if it's running into something, blah blah blah. But yeah, I like WOF. WOF. We can look at ESCO. ESKO. I think that's the wrong play you gave me on ESCO, by the way. I don't think there's a play called ESCO. I think it's EKSO. Yeah, I think it's EKSO. EKSO. Yeah, this must be the one. Okay. Yeah, this is quite nice as well. The daily's not as clean as the other charts, but this is still it's not bad at all. It's not bad. Just switch the horizontal line. Daily zone. So mark our daily zones on this. A good amount of volume as well. I'd like to see above like 5 million volume plus tomorrow, 10 million, and we probably get a nice push towards 1.7 level. But it's not as clean as the other charts. It's not that clean. So remove this. I'm gonna keep Wolf on my watch list for the future. I'm gonna keep Shot on my watch list for the future as well. IOC I still like this, so I'm gonna keep this on my chart. What's up? Waruna? Welcome. But yeah, Apple interesting, Philip. Apple is very interesting. Thanks for that information on that. So option guys, SPY puts if you've closed under this level. On the 30-minute chart, if you get a 5-minute close below, you can probably take puts back towards. I don't know how it works, but 428, then 426. Okay. Yeah, there should be a replay. I'm hoping. I haven't used it before. Hopefully it's a replay. Hopefully it's set up like that, because I ain't got a clue how to use this, but it should be. Okay. BHIL. Let me check out BHIL for you. BHIL. Watch list. BHIL. Ooh, it's quite nice. Not bad. It's reversing. Day looks there reversing. So let's just mark this daily chart. This is a better daily chart. I like this a lot. Daily. So you got that, and then you kind of want. Let's just mark the daily zones. Got that the daily zone. You got this zone here, which is gonna be key. So what you want on BHIL is 0.27 level. You want to break above this, and we should continue run. So we are a big daily level test here. It's a huge test on the daily, actually, a huge test. So I wouldn't play in this zone, so I wouldn't enter here because we're at the daily resistance. But it's something which tomorrow, if you do break off 0.27, is something to watch into, consider, because we'll have room towards 0.55. So yeah, I'll just wait for that daily break before I really consider taking this for any entries. Nice one down, HM. See. So guys, do you have any more chart requests? Go ahead. Let me know. Repost. Okay. No worries. Let me know, guys, if you have any more requests. But I've done a couple of reviews on here. I'm gonna post a review on Insta, guys. If you don't follow my Insta, follow Hassi Trades on Instagram. Okay, follow that up. BHIL is watching this. That's a nice one. Cheers on BHIL. I like it. It's something hopefully I'll watch it tomorrow, to be honest with you. IOC was another nice one. CLNN. These are my top though. TGTX, VSME. I'll post this on Twitter. Don't worry. MNTS, KOD will be posted on my watch list. KOD, CLLS. Just looking at okay. Let me look at this IBRX chart. There's something very interesting about this. This chart is this IBRX chart is really interesting for me. Really interesting. Ooh. This IBRX shot, it's an verge of another breaker. It's probably something you should, guys will probably want to keep an eye on as well, because it has been running all week, so it might want to close the show strong. But 30 minute, yeah, probably worth keeping an eye on this. Go. Oh, the trend. There you go. DKNG. Ooh, you love DKNG, eh? That's your B. Let's just check it out. DKNG. There you are, boy. There you go. Ooh, that's nice. Let's look at the weekly on this. Let's look at the weekly. Where are you? Let's remove this. Let's get you on. no vertical line, horizontal line, daily zone. So you've got your daily level here, 32 level. So we're approaching a huge daily level here. So we know that we are approaching a huge level. Above that daily level, we got room towards 42. And then your sport is, let's say, this $25 level now. Let's just check it out. So yeah, it's on a run, it's on a tear for now. So right now you could just be as bullish as you want. Maybe unless you dip below this trend, but you could be bullish for now, especially considering the fact that they're smashed earnings. So this will be on a nice high. Great work on that. Great work. Great work on that. Any more chart requests, guys? Go ahead. Ask along. Anytime. You are more than welcome. Yeah, nice share. Yeah, always use the higher time frames to mark your major levels. It translates very well. But I think this has broken our weekly level. So if you look here, of course, this weekly level hasn't really come to fruition today yet, but I know we've broken that. So we've kind of broken into this area, which is a good sign. So this should test 34 based on technicals, unless SPY completely dies tomorrow. This looks good. Great work on this. Fun fact is actually a falling wedge as well on the weekly. These falling wedges are quite powerful with the higher time frames. Something which to consider. Something with the catalyst, something which doesn't have any offerings. Good. Yeah, go have a good night share. Enjoy your studies, mate. If anyone else has any chart requests, let me know. You could post it in the comments. If you want me to review anything, let me know. If you want me to go over anything, let me know. I don't mind. There's a TGD, X, SME, B, China. CCLN, SPY, AWAR. I'm just going to remove this. Don't want too much. I don't want to stop this watch list to become congested. Purely, we're really going to keep really short. Mullen. I like Mullen quite a bit. Okay. If you guys have any more requests, just let me know. Give it 5 minutes. If you don't, you don't. If you do, you do. Give it 5 minutes. Okay. So I'm just trying to see if I've got anything else. So let me quickly sum up the watch list I'm gonna have for tomorrow. So you got TGTX. I'm gonna wait for this to break above 10.6. Essentially, what I'm gonna wait for is I'm gonna give you like an example of what I'm gonna wait for. See these lines? Here. So what I want this to break and base. I want this to break and base above this 10.6 level. So I want this to break above here and break base. Let me just quickly draw these lines out properly. There. So there you go. So that's what I kind of want with this. So that'll be on my radar for that. VSME. I'm looking at something very similar. Even though we're breaking down right now, what kind of want? I want this back above 1.2 level for continuation. The same kind of process, and MNTS. I'm hoping for the same. We probably break. The only thing about this worries me is the volume. So I kind of want that break base and then gone. And then you got your COD. COD is quite nice as well. Over 2.16, probably worse. And CLS, same thing. I want it back above 2.05. Okay. But other than that, guys, I'm gonna call it for my YouTube stream. I'll be back streaming soon again. Right now I'm at uni doing my masters, so you probably won't get as much for now, but whenever I'm free, I'll do a stream. Okay, guys. I'll catch you guys tomorrow in the Discord or on Twitter. If you want to join the Discord, there's a link on the YouTube if you go to your channel, or I'll just put a link in the chat here. So yeah, I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Peace.